Let's talk today about chemical sedimentary rocks. As we've talked about before, there are many types of sedimentary rocks, some of which are chemical sedimentary rocks, which form from solutions or minerals that are dissolved in water. When those minerals precipitate, they form new rocks. We call those chemical sedimentary rocks. One family of sedimentary rocks that are formed chemically are the carbonates. Carbonates include several types of rocks like this one. This is a fossiliferous limestone. Limestones are one of the most common types of carbonate rocks. They contain the mineral calcite, which is calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Animals in the ocean that live on the marine floor, they harvest these elements from the seawater and from the ocean itself, and they use those to create hard shells. And some of those hard shells may be external, some of them may be internal. And they help give the animal structure and shelter, and even in some cases help them consume food. But when they die, those shells fall to the ocean floor and they pile up over time. And the mineral calcite, under certain conditions, becomes very volatile. It can actually go into the water, and as the rocks are buried and more pressure piles up on top, those rocks cement each other together as that calcite mineral fills the gaps and precipitates from the solution. And so what we get at the end of the day is a very hard rock that contains bits and pieces of fossils, the remains of ancient life. There are many different types of fossils in a fossiliferous limestone. And it depends on what part of the ocean the rock was formed in. It depends on what age or geologic era that the rock comes from. Chemical sedimentary rocks are an important part of our world. We use them for building stone, we use them for making lime for concrete, and many other uses.